Gicigo kia ubunge gia Kuresoi North, Kuresoi South ndumwe na Rongai ni kumwe gwa kuria wohi wa nda cia tene ukoretwo wihiriirie thiini wa kaunti ya Nakuru. Riboti ya NDARI igi ugima wa mwiri yonanitie kaunti ya Nakuru niyo itongoretie hari airitu aria mohaga nda cia tene na gukinyiria riu kaunti no irugamiire gicunji gia 17 hari igana.
In the category of reds because it's a city, and I call upon different stakeholders to join hands to ensure that we end this triple threat. For us, it's an elephant in the room, and we really have to deal with it to ensure to secure the future of and the well-being of adolescents in this county.
Kuringana na ATARAMU a ugima wa mwiri, airitu a gatagati ka miaka 10 na 19 nio makoretwo ugwati-ini uyu na namba nene yao macungagiririo gutiganiria mathomo niguo mambiririe uredi.
Both national and county government to allocate adequate resources to matters healthcare, especially reproductive health, for us to be able to achieve the good results and to better the situation, because we are saddened to see upsurge of HIV cases among teenagers.
ATARAMU aya oho ni mahithuritie namba nene ya airitu acio ni magomagirwo ni thina wa meciria undu uria umanaga na wagi wa motaro makinyaniru amwe ngiao matikoragwo mehariirie uredi.
We also are already in the process of ensuring that we have a legislation in the county assembly, and that's why we've been in the support of the county assembly and the county executive to navigate around gender reproductive health issues.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru gukorwo etari na mibango mikinyaniru igie kurumanirira na guthurima wagiriru wa meciria kuri aria moha nda cia tene ni undu gwetetwo gucungiriria amwe a airitu acio kwiruta muoyo kumana na kwiyagira kiene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.